If your Ram 1500 just passed 100,000 miles and you start hearing a ticking noise, you should not ignore it. Because on many Ram 1500 trucks with the 5.7 HEMI engine, that small ticking sound can actually be the first warning sign of internal engine wear. A lot of owners hear this ticking during a cold start and assume it's just normal engine noise. But in many cases, that ticking sound is actually related to lifter wear inside the valve train. And when lifters begin wearing on the 5.7 HEMI engine, the camshaft can slowly start taking damage as well. I see this problem in my shop all the time with Ram 1500 trucks between 100,000 and 120,000 miles. At the beginning, the sound is usually very small and easy to ignore. It's often just a light metallic ticking noise that disappears after the engine warms up. But that early ticking can sometimes mean a lifter is not rotating correctly against the camshaft. And once that happens, the camshaft lobe can begin wearing down much faster than normal. This is when a small noise can slowly turn into a very expensive repair. Because repairing lifters and camshaft components on a HEMI engine can easily cost several $1,000s. The biggest problem is that most owners keep driving while the damage slowly gets worse. They assume the ticking sound is harmless because the truck still drives normally. But inside the engine, the lifter and camshaft may already be wearing against each other. One of the most common signs is ticking noise during the first few seconds after starting the engine, especially when the engine is cold and the oil pressure has not fully built up yet. That is when weak lifters often reveal themselves through that small ticking sound. If the sound starts appearing more often, it's usually a sign the wear is getting worse. And waiting too long can turn a small mechanical issue into major internal engine damage. Catching the problem early can sometimes prevent much more expensive repairs later. A mechanic inspection can often detect lifter wear before the camshaft becomes severely damaged. That is why experienced mechanics never ignore unusual engine ticking noises, especially on Ram 1500 trucks with the 5.7 HEMI engine once they pass the 100,000 mile mark. If your Ram 1500 is making a ticking sound after 100,000 miles, it is worth checking before it turns into a major repair.